Hey guys, welcome back to our second tutorial, and in this we are going to install ReactJs inside our project, and then we are going to understand those coding and just ReactJs codes. Okay, so we'll try to modify, not fully but little bit we'll modify the codes, and we'll modify as per our needs. We'll try to understand by modifying that what are the codes are there. Okay, so without doing any delay, let me close these and let me go to the ReactJs website, and you can see this command here. If you come to this section, create a new React app, as I will give you the link in the description. No need to worry. So you can see here npx. Oh my god, what the heck is npx now? So npm and npx both are same. Npx is just, it's like it supports npm version 5.2 and above. Okay, so no need to worry. Just copy this npm create react app, and don't copy this my app, because that is the project name, and I'm gonna name my project as just so simple as app. Why? Because as you can see, they are the alphabetical order. These folders are in alphabetical order. Okay, so if I name that as app, that is our React application as app, then that will be very easy to find us where is our ReactJs application. Okay, so hit the center, and it will take some time to install, and let me pause my video and come back so that we can install and come back to. Okay, so yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see, our React project has been installed in our app folder, as you can see here, and I'll explain you what are all this. Okay, but before that, let us run our React folder, React project. And how can we run that? Cd app yarn start. Okay, but we are using npm, so we will do cd app and npm. Okay, cd app. Let me clear the screen, and then npm start. Okay, so by default it gives you port 3000 ReactJs, as I explained earlier in the first video, and that was the reason we changed our NodeJs port to 5000 instead of 3000, and it will take some time, and then it will automatically opens in your browser at the port 3000 React application. Okay, so meanwhile let us see our package.json for our React. What are the things are there? So you can see React DOM, React scripts. You get all these for whenever you install any React application. And then we have a start. Okay, in scripts it helps you in starting the application. Build, test, eject. There are the packages in React that you can find in Node module. Let us try finding the start. Okay, where is that? Hopefully we will find this start. Where is the start? Start. Just a minute. Okay guys, as you can see, I have found this out, and this is inside the React scripts folder, and inside that you can come to scripts and then start. Okay, so you can see here port 3000. If you change this, the React port will be changed, and you can see as you can see in the browser right now, it is giving you by default port as 3000, and it is running the application on the port 3000. Okay, so if you want, you can try this by changing this out, but right now I'm not going to change this, because let it be by default 3000, doesn't matter. Okay, guys, so that's it about package.json, and then we'll be changing our other folders. So this is our main folder, source, that is src. Inside this only we will be working everything like components, every controller or every components that we will be writing here, and inside the source folder. Okay, public is it contains your favicon, index.html, which is basically your layout file. So whatever component you render, it goes through this. Okay, I'll show you how. Okay, so first of all, let us see app.js, which is our main component. Okay, so this is the component file. This is the file which is responsible for these components that you are getting here. Whatever the file or whatever the contents you are getting here, that is coming from app.js. Okay, so if you change here something, it will reflect you in the browser. So let me change this to MERN devils and let me save it. As you can see, it automatically compiles and runs your program. So if you come here, you can see this. Okay, let me remove this content, that is this content. Save this. Yep. Okay, so we'll be modifying this. We'll use our own logo, our own images instead of just React. Okay, and let it be here, but we'll be adding some more images and we'll be keeping them here. And let me download some images, the technology that I love, and I will render them here. Okay, like here. Cool. So let me pause my video and I'll download and come back. Okay guys, so what I have done is inside our source directory I have created one folder and I have named that as images, and inside that I have some images. I'll show you. So as you can see, JS, machine learning, Python, PyscriptPhile. Let me rename this. This is our channel image. Okay, and TensorFlow. Okay, I love TensorFlow. I love dealing with machine learning. Okay, yeah. So maybe in future we'll have some videos on that. But for now, let me import those images. Import JS. How do we do this? Like this from. So let me go to that folder. Yep. Just a minute. Yeah. Source images /js. Okay. I am port import machine learning from that source folder /images /machine learning. Okay, so just I'll import all the images and come back. Okay guys, as you can see, I have imported all the images, and now we are going to use this. So how do we use those images? Simply copy this line, just this one, copy this and paste it multiple times, as many times as you want. So here we have 3 to 5 and one logo, 6 2 4 I guess 6. Okay, so now if I save this, I think you will get some warning that the images are not that. No problem. And you can see same logo, that is React logo, but we'll be changing this as according to our images. So we'll do here say JS, we will do here what ML, and then we have Python, sorry guys, Python Python, and then we have SCRIPT that is our channel name, and TensorFlow. Are we missing something? Oops, TF. Okay, yeah, no, right? No, it's okay, fine. So let me save this and let me check this out in browser. Cool. It's funny. Okay, so how is this working? How is this app.js working? Let me explain you. And so this is our class, that is classes app, and we are exporting this class here. So what happens is whenever you render something, you should return that through the return function. Okay, we are rendering our HTML content through the return function that is being returned into the browser, and you should always keep class as class name in the ReactJs, because ReactJs does not understand class. You always have to keep the class name, okay, instead of class. And this, yeah, inside div we are using everything. And yeah, so what happens when we render this? What happens exactly to this component, that is app component? So it comes to your index.js, that is here. Okay, so you can see here react DOM. We are just importing those things, and app is our app component, that is this file app.js. Okay, no need to write .js, just app is enough. Okay, so this is the register service worker. Nothing much to know about that, just simple. So the main function is here. How are you rendering your component? That is react DOM.render is the function to render your component. Okay, and this is your component. Like app component is here. We are rendering like this. Every component is being rendered like this. How it is coming and the way you are exporting here. Okay, as you can see, you are importing here. Sorry, exporting here as app, and the same thing you are using here. Okay, and where is this root? Document.get element by id. You are rendering this component, that is app component, inside a div. Okay, and the div class name is root. So where is this? As I explained you earlier, that our layout file is index.html. Okay, so as you can see here, id is root. Okay, so inside this div, every component is being rendered. Okay, every component is coming inside this div. Okay, so whatever component we'll be making in future, that will be coming through our layout file, that is index.html. And yeah, that's it. So you can see the class name as root here. Okay, that id here as root. Okay, so this is the flow that I wanted to explain it. And for now we are not going to do much, because this video is going longer, and in next video we will be learning how to start our NodeJs server and ReactJs servers with the concurrently package by running a single command. Okay, and what else? And we'll be modifying our applications. Okay, like we'll be adding our header, footer, sign up, login, and we'll be doing those all things with the bootstrap. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care, see ya.